According to our The Graph price forecast, the price of GRT will drop by $0.002496 over the next 7 days and hit $0.089948 on September 5, 2023. If you are looking for the Graph market estimate, analysis, or price prediction, you probably want to know where the price of the Graph, GRT, might go in the future. We try to guess how prices will move in the future by using different machine-based algorithms. The goal of this price forecast is to answer most of your questions. Will the Graph, GRT, reach its all-time high, ATH, again? How much will the Graph be worth the month after that? Should I buy the Graph right now? Is the Graph showing signs of going up or going down? In this, the Graph price forecast, we will use a number of GRT technical indicators to make a guess about the price of the Graph. Price predictions for the Graph, GRT. Because GRT has been going up this past week, buyers in the Graph have seen returns of more than 1.5% on their money. After looking at GRT's technical signs, we think there could be a small correction in the next few days. The Graph, GRT, shows historical prices and a market analysis. The Graph is currently worth $0.092444 and is ranked number 44 among all cryptocurrencies. There are currently 9,167,632,874 The Graph coins in circulation, and the market value of all of them is $841,059,892. The price of the Graph has gone up by 2.6% in the last 24 hours. Over the past week, the Graph has grown steadily, adding 1.55%. Investors in the Graph are happy about the return on their investment this week because of this rise. In the last 30 days, the price of GRT fell by 17.65%, or $0.019813, from what it was worth before, which was $0.112257. Right now, the Graph is in a dip because of this downturn. In the last 3 months, the price of the Graph has dropped by 30.91%, or $0.041358 from its previous price of $0.133802. The Graph, GRT, predicts prices and the market. The crypto market is known to be very unpredictable. It's hard to guess where the Graph's price will be in the future because so many other things affect it. Because of this, you shouldn't take the predictions on our website as financial advice. Instead, you should do your own study. Before you make any investment choices, talk to your financial advisor. The GRT price forecast for 2023. As the market starts to recover from the crypto winter, we think that the Graph will reach its highest price of $0.166399. The lowest price that can be predicted is $0.110933. And the average price will be about $0.138666. The GRT price forecast for 2024. As the Graph continues to reach new highs, our model predicts that in 2024, the Graph could reach a maximum price of $0.258843, while the average price for the year will stay around $0.23111. If there is a bear market, GRT can only go as low as $0.203376 in 2024. The GRT price forecast for 2025. We expect the Graph to have grown a lot by 2025, as crypto becomes more popular in many business fields. So, the price could go as high as $0.351287. With an average of about $0.323553. At least $0.29582 could be paid for the Graph. The GRT price forecast for 2026. If money keeps coming into the crypto market, the Graph could be worth a high of $0.44373 and an average of $0.415997 in 2026. If there is a sell-off, our forecast for the lowest price is $0.388264. The GRT price forecast for 2027. With countries all over the world using GRT, The graph can predict a maximum price of $0.536174 by 2027 and an average price of $0.508441. Also, the lowest price for the same year could be as low as $0.480708. The GRT price forecast for 2028. In the year 2028, the number of people using the graph will keep going up, and officials will start to realize that crypto is here to stay. By 2028, investors could see the price of GRT going as high as $0.628618 and as low as $0.573152. In 2028, the average price should be $0.600885. The GRT price forecast for 2029. Due to the growth over the last 5 years, there will be another big bull market in 2029. This means that investors in the graph may see GRT reach a high of $0.721062 and then drop to an average of $0.693329. Based on our technical research, the lowest price we can think of is $0.665596. Price prediction for graph, GRT, in 2030. Based on how the market feels, GRT is likely to keep going up until it reaches $0.813506. If this support isn't found, the graph could have a mean of $0.785773 and a low of $0.75804. The GRT price forecast for 2031. This year will be a memorable one for the graph. In 2031, we expect GRT to hit a new ATH of $0.90595, and the new minimum price of the graph could be $0.850483. In the worst case, GRT will end in 2031 at $0.878217. FAQs about the graph price prediction. What is the current price of the graph, GRT? Today, the graph, GRT, is traded at $0.092444, and its market capitalization is $841,059,892. How much do you think the graph will cost in 2023? In 2023, the highest price for the graph is expected to be $0.166399. Should I buy the graph, GRT, now? After looking at the technical signs for the graph, we think there could be a small correction in the next few days. Investors who want to buy GRT should wait until then. Is it a good idea to buy the graph, GRT? Based on where the graph is going, our fundamental analysis shows that this cryptocurrency is a good investment at the moment. Is it a good idea to put money into the graph, GRT? Based on our price prediction and analysis, we think that the graph